Hi, my name is Chris Walker. I can help you produce sun-protective clothing here in Vietnam. Follow me to learn more about the debate between sunscreen and protective clothing to reduce skin cancer around the world.
If you have not been exposed to a lot of sun in your life and you haven't had any skin cancers yet at your age, your risk is fairly low, I would say, unless you were a big like surfer, golfer, tennis player.
Well, which brings up another point that I got out of the video from last night was they were saying that there's certainly an element of genetics. And my grandfather apparently died of lung cancer, and my mother, she had some melanomas or something that they cut out of her. This got me thinking, I'm at that age, like you said, 50, I'm 55. And so I'm now very interested, both from an intellectual point of view, but also self-care.
Yeah, self-care. Yeah, absolutely. You need to take care of your health.
Like I see your skin and you, and I'm like, I want to do whatever she's doing.
Just trying to stay healthy, exercise, eat right, and I enjoy life,
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing, is to have a good heart, good spirit, good mind. Take care of your personal health, your financial health, your mental health, your spiritual health. Just all that kind of maintenance throughout life. It really does help. And we don't get it right all the time. Yeah, and who you hang out with. Choose your friends wisely. Choose your partner wisely.
Yes.
Thanks for listening to the end. Contact me if you want to learn more about producing sun-protective clothing here in Vietnam. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.